Thank you again. I can never thank you enough for showing up for today. Not only your physical presence, but your overwhelming support to Ace's business. Today really is a great day, and it's a big day that hopefully everyone can end with a good meal. But before we go to the final part of the program, which is the entertainment and the meal, allow me just to summarize what happened all throughout the day. With over 800 people attending the event the whole day, we are very happy that our partners, our media partners, our customers, our current and future customers joined us today, and we are very happy to have you all here. So hopefully, and I can guarantee this is not the end. This is just the beginning of our collaboration so that we can bring more Ace's business products in the market. With all the great products launched during the past years, Ace's is the leading global brand with milestones of being #1 in motherboard, #1 in consumer notebook in Asia Pacific, #1 in gaming, both in notebooks and in phone, and currently #1 Copilot Plus PC brand. But in the Philippines, we are just starting to collect milestones. From being the 5th in SMB and enterprise, to being 4th in education as of this year. And we are already #2 in government, really showing the potential and also the goal that we have in mind to become the #1 PC brand in 3 years. And that is a pressure that I'm willing to take because I know everyone here is going to support us. And we have Sir Rex and the whole HQ business executives to help us to achieve that. In 2020, ASUS had a vision to create a series of products built for business. We released the ASUS Expert Series to help business upgrade in Incredible. Our Expert Center, desktops that are secured, reliable, and business-ready. The Expert Center AIO, which has a modern comprehensive connectivity and security features in an easy-to-manage design. And of course, our ASUS Expert Book, best-in-class business laptop that is scalable to fit your business. We also offer a value-added total solution, as mentioned earlier. No other brands can offer comprehensive enterprise solutions like ASUS can do. To be a competitive commercial brand in the market today, we have a complete range of commercial PC product lines. And we believe in the worldwide market, again, only ASUS can provide this kind of complete commercial PC product range from laptops to desktop, all-in-one PCs, servers, workstations, display solutions, and even networking products. Our expertise in bringing these solutions made us a trusted partner by the experts. Experts in the new digital era, creating intelligent, heartfelt, and joyful smart life for everyone. And now, bringing our expertise to a whole new audience, and that's the whole new era, every one of us here. You, ladies and gentlemen, are ambitious entrepreneurs, prosumers, and individual contractors. Filipino entrepreneurs and professionals are experts in digital era. Introducing what we launched the whole day, the ASUS Expert P Series, AI-powered productivity and business-grade security. The ASUS Expert P Series completes the entire series of Expert, truly engineered for productivity for a worry-free business. Trusted by IT experts, built for worry-free business. Built for worry-free maintenance, worry-free performance, and our commitment, worry-free security. Really, a worry-free expert. The ASUS Expert P-Series comes with 3 models. First, our Expert Book P1, our Expert Book Copilot Plus PM3, and our ASUS Expert Book Copilot Plus PC P5. Streamline the difference for professionals. Why do we say worry-free for business? Let me show you why. Because we have worry-free performance, worry-free connectivity, worry-free security, worry-free expandability, worry-free support, and of course, as you have all seen and tested by your own self outside, worry-free durability. Versatile worry-free connectivity. Our devices features full functioning Type-C. USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports including Kensington lock, giving enterprise the peace of mind when using our devices, especially in shared public environments. Now, while speed and connectivity are critical, we all know that today, digital environment and security is non-negotiable. We have discrete TPM 2.0, OS bias security, Microsoft device encryption, our hardware optical chassis intrusion detection, and biometrics login. The ASUS Expert Series comes with multiple expandability from dual SSD, dual RAM, and of course, expandability for future with updated and latest components. Innovation not only in products, but also in reliable service. Worry-free business solutions. ASUS best-in-class enterprise service offers a robust service support tailored for business. Default international warranty for free for 80 different countries. Free 3 years battery and charger warranty. No other brands are confident enough to risk having battery and charger even included in the system warranty. And of course, free 1 year accidental damage protection. Of course, our network of coverage of over 115 plus service partners that can cater to whatever needs in terms of after-sales support. Together, these services reflects ASUS' commitment to delivering dependable, customer-focused solutions for enterprise environment. Really a worry-free support. In business, also reliability is everything. That's why ASUS Business, we don't just design for performance, we also design for durability. So you have seen all day some of the 24 testings that we did to achieve our military grade certification, like the panel pressure test, 50,000 times hinge test, and 10 million keystrokes, and up to 9 kilograms of port durability test, wherein you can really carry an 8 to 9 kilograms of kettlebell with just a LAN cable attached to the LAN port. Really, durability is one of our promise to you and to your customers. Again, introducing the ASUS Expert P-Series, the Expert Book laptops P1, PM3, and P5, the Expert Center P500 desktop, and our ASUS Expert Center P400 AIO. Built for business in worry-free maintenance, performance, and security. There you have it, everyone. The ASUS Expert Series, really trusted by IT experts and built for worry-free business. Thank you.